is Harshita here and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another sitting episode. So basically आज की वीडियो है एक मेकअप वीडियो, जैसे आपको समझ में आ गया होगा ऑलरेडी फ्रॉम द टाइटल. सो ऐसी वीडियोस मैं ज्यादातर नहीं करती थी, बट नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग दिस कैटेगरी एंड आई एंजॉय दिस कैटेगरी ऑल्सो. मतलब मेकअप के बारे में थोड़ा जानना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले एक वीडियो की थी विच वॉज माई होल मेकअप विद अ ब्रांड स्विस ब्यूटी विच इज सुपर अफोर्डेबल, एंड टूडेज ब्रांड इज ऑल्सो गाइज super affordable, perfect for beginners hai, and guys all these products are under a budget of 500. I'm talking about the brand Sugar Cosmetics. They are एक्सट्रीम गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स गाइज. वो बहुत अच्छी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफर करते हैं और ये सारी की सारी चीजें जो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, एज आई सेड ईच ऑफ देम इज अंडर 500 रुपीज. तो बहुत ही पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है, बहुत ही ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली भी है, क्योंकि अच्छे साइजेस में आती है ये चीजें, तो आप लेके भी जा सकते हैं अपने साथ. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट दिस होल लुक फॉर माई दिस आउटफिट. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस आउटफिट फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल एटिक सॉल्ट. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल पार्टी ड्रेस. मैं फुल पिक्चर डाल दूंगी यहाँ पे, बट दिस इज हाउ दिस ड्रेस लुक्स लाइक. इट्स फुल लाइक शिमर एंड सीक्वेंस गोइंग ऑन. तो ये इतना पार्टी आउटफिट है, तो आई थॉट आई जस्ट क्रिएट अ लुक अराउंड दिस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द लिंक ऑफ दिस ड्रेस एंड द पेज विल आल्सो बी देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो या, विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेकअप बिकॉज आई एम लुकिंग लाइक not very presentable right now, but let's start. Let's go. So guys, first we are of course going to prep our face, and for that of course I go for my holy product which is my L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. इसके बारे में मैंने इतनी बात की है in my summer essentials, travel essentials. मैंने बहुत बात की इसके बारे में, आप बोर हो गए होंगे इसके बारे में सुन के, so I'm not going to describe much, but this is how the serum looks like, and I actually absolutely love this, and this is something which I apply daily before my makeup or regularly also. So this is what we are going to kind of use first in that very Instagramic way. तो हम इस तरह से इसके ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं, and then we are going to just rub it into our skin. एंड गाइस, सिरम लगाने के बाद उसको लॉक करना होता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द हाइलुरोनिक एसिड सिरम क्रीम विच इज बेसिकली देयर प्लम्पिंग डे क्रीम. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम द सेम कैटेगरी, उसी कैटेगरी में. इसके बारे में भी मैंने बताया था इन द ट्रैवल एसेंशियल्स. अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें चाहिए तो इनके भी लिंक्स होंगे इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. बहुत ही लाइट है ये ऑन द स्किन एंड परफेक्ट है टू लॉक योर हाइलुरोनिक एसिड सिरम. सो इस तरीके से इसको लगाना है. So guys, now I've prepped my skin. I'm going to use my primer which is the Lakme Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is how it looks like. So this is an extremely good primer. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है guys, बहुत smooth है and ये काफी like equal कर देता है आपके पूरे skin को, so that the makeup can actually sit on very comfortably. So I'll just apply this. So guys, अभी मैंने प्राइमर लगा लिया है. So the next thing is to use a foundation, but I'm not a foundation person, so I'm going to use my BB cream. So this is what I generally use on daily basis also, and यही मेरे लिए foundation का काम करता है. So I'm just going to apply it. Now I'm going to blend this using my powder brush from Miniso. So I'm just going to blend this like this. So guys, मैंने अपने फेस पे फाउंडेशन लगा लिया, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू द अदर थिंग्स फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गो फॉर माई आईज, एंड सबसे पहले मैं अपने आईज को कंसील करूंगी यूजिंग माई स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर. तो मैं सबसे पहले यही यूज करने वाली हूँ, सो दैट आई डू माई आई मेकअप फर्स्ट. क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है कि अगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ आई शेडो यहाँ पे कुछ गिरेगा, तो वाइल आई एम डूइंग माई अदर थिंग्स लाइक पाउडर करना फेस ये सब, तो आई कैन जस्ट ब्रश इट ऑफ. सो आई जस्ट डू माई आई मेकअप फर्स्ट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग माई BB क्रीम. I'm also going to apply a little bit of concealer above, just to create this look. And after I've concealed my eyes, I'm going to use a little bit of my face's compact, little bit, just to powder the eyes up, so that मेरा जो eye shadow है वो थोड़ा easily यहाँ पे लगे. And before I start my eye makeup, I'm going to use the Sugar Crayons eyebrow pencil. This is how this looks like. ये बहुत ही सुंदर पैकेजिंग में आता है. And this is their Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade 02 Tube Tom. This is how the eyebrow pencil looks like. It retails for $4.99, which is under the budget. And basically this is how this pencil looks like. बहुत ही fine thin है. It is for like in a dark brownish shade. And इसके पीछे यहाँ पे ये wand आता है, बहुत ही सुंदर again. And it's very sleek, very comfortable. बहुत ही ज़्यादा broad भी नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छे से. So first we will just use this side. Starting from the middle area, and it's easy to draw also guys, क्योंकि इतना thin है ना, it's very easy to kind of draw also. मैंने एक ऐसा border create कर लिया है. Now I'm going to blend it using this. So now I'll do my eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use my Oh Honey's palette, which is this, and I'm going to use very light brown shade, and then I'm going to use a very amazing eyeshadow. So I'm using this brown shade, and I'm using a brush from Miniso again, which is their tapered blending brush. So I'm going to use this for my outer crease area. I'm now done applying the brown shade. I'm going to use an amazing shade from Sugar. This is their 01 Champagne Charm. It's a jelly eyeshadow and बहुत ही cute दिखता है ये. I'll just show you. Yeah, fell down. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this comes in a very cute small bottle, and this one retails for $2.99. बहुत ही amazing color है guys ये. This is how it looks like. It's very sparkly. It's fully jelly, so I'll have to use a very carefully. I'll have to use this, and to apply this I'm going to use my flat brush, which is the shading brush actually from Miniso again. So I'm going to take a very little one because ये बहुत ही liquidy है guys, and let's see what we can do. And then you can use the same shade again to just create that effect, thoda outside inside smoke. So guys, a blending brush will really help you to blend this and make it like really smooth. एक बार आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए थोड़ा सा फ्लैट ब्रश से, और फिर ब्लेंड कर लीजिए जो आपका आउटर शेड है और इस ग्लिटर या जेली आई शैडो को. So it will create a very smooth effect like this. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And to complete my eye look, I'm going to use this, which is the Sugar Gloss Pause 24-hour eyeliner, which is in the shade black, which is 01. This is how it looks like. It retails for $4.99, and it is a 24-hour mascara. It is smudge free, so let's just try this. Wow, I love the eyeliners who have sturdy, which have the sturdy wand, because मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है winged eyeliner करने में. So we'll just apply and see. So guys, ये कितना black है, I mean pitch black है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, दूर से भी आपको दिख रहा होगा. And I'm just liking the look it is giving to my eyes. बहुत ही perfect और easily dry up हो जाता है. So I really like this product. I guess this is going to become my favorite eyeliner. And I'm also going to use the mascara, which is their Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, again in Black Beauty, which is shade 01. So this one retails for again $4.99. Mascara and eyeliner both are for $4.99. But I really like the packaging they come in. I mean, सब पे एक ना बहुत ही अच्छी एक like एक girl tone है, एक girl vibe है, but like a boss lady, and थोड़ा एक like a comic vibe उसको दी गई है. तो I just like that. This is how the mascara looks like. So yeah, this is their Uptown Curl. So let's just try this. सारी की सारी जो products है एकदम black है, matte है. ये जो इसकी और जो eyeliner है उसकी जो finish है, ऊपर की जो covering है, that is matte, and of course ये इस तरह के seal में आता है जो मैंने खोली नहीं है अभी तक, because this is the first time I'm trying this mascara. But yeah, let's see. This is a very like a thin sleek wand, so let's try. And it is little twisted, इस तरह से curved है, so that it can easily like work through the lashes. So guys, I guess I'm done with my eye makeup. Now we'll quickly hop on to the face makeup. So for face, again I'm going to use the same concealer, which is my Swiss Beauty concealer first, and I'm going to use that hack also, which is going around a lot, for my under eye area. So I'll first put a little bit like this. So guys, the hack which is going around is to apply your blush here also with the concealer, just to create like that kind of look. So I'm going to use a blush from the Sugar palette only. This is for $3.99 and this is their 02 shade, which is Pink Pinnacle. And this is how this looks like. Oh wow. So it's quite pinky and I'm going to use a little bit on my finger only because मोटा ब्रश लेने का कोई ऐसा नहीं है, इसके साथ ही लगाना है I suppose. Yeah. Or you can actually use a liquid lipstick as well, you know. Yeah, this is how this is. And now you have to kind of blend this. So now guys, another hack which is going on is to apply your blush first and then to powder your face. Again, I'm using the same blush and I'm using the blush brush, which is their 01 Blend Trend Face Brush 01, which is used for the blush. Am I spelling it wrong? And this is the packaging it comes in. Again, बहुत ही अच्छी packaging है. This one retails for $3.99. So this brush comes for $3.99. बहुत ही fluffy brush है guys, you can see, and बहुत ही smooth है इसके bristles या इसके जो ये कहते हैं इसको. So I'm going to use this as my blush brush and I'm going to take the same blush. Ooh, it is super pigmented. Look at this guys. Oh my god. Okay, it is super pigmented. So I'll just first like ऐसे कर लूंगी मैं थोड़ा nose के यहाँ पे भी. And now I'm going to And now guys, I'm going to powder my face. For this I'm using the same Faces Compact. So I don't use loose powder, I generally use the compact. So I'm going to take a little bit and dab over this. Oh, so it gives you such a natural look, जैसे कि अंदर से blush झलक रहा है. So yeah, that's a very nice trick. And now I'm going to use the highlighter, which is again from Sugar. This is their mini highlighter, which is in the shade 02 Gold Glory. This is again for $3.99. बहुत ही like pocket friendly है, travel friendly भी है. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a beautiful shade and I'm going to use my highlighter brush from Miniso. So that now I'm done with the face makeup, I'm going to use this very beautiful, इसलिए मैंने packaging से नहीं निकाला. This is their lip gloss guys, which is their Tipsy Lips moisturizing lip balm, which is in the 01 Mojito shade, which also comes by the way with SPF. And this is such a beautiful packaging, so creative. And this one is for $1.99. बहुत ही अच्छी packaging है for a product, and इसलिए मैंने नहीं निकाला था because I really wanted to show it to you all. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. बहुत ही सुंदर पैकेजिंग है गाइस. इसके ऊपर भी पूरे ऐसे मोजिटो बने हुए हैं. And wow, this is in a greenish shade. I'm not sure, like this looks greenish, but I'm sure it is a transparent tint. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, it smells like mint. Wow, very smooth guys. बहुत ही smooth है. And for $1.99 it's such an amazing quality. Wow, ठंडा ठंडा भी है. This is amazing. And now I'm going to use this lip shade, which is their lipstick. This is a mini lipstick by the way, बहुत ही cute है. And this is their Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick mini, which basically is in the shade 09, which is Suave Mauve. So it's a very beautiful mauve shade. I love mauve shades. This is how it looks like. Again, it is mini, so very easy to carry anywhere. And this one retails for $2.49. ये एक liquid lipstick है, matte है, and Smudge Me Not है. So of course it's gonna be smudge proof. बहुत ही cute है. Oh wow, this is how it looks like. And I've spread my lips really well with this Mojito lip balm, which is very, you know, thanda actually. So now let's apply this. Oh my god guys, it's such a beautiful shade. बहुत फटाफट एकदम ड्राई हो गया, बट ऐसा नहीं कि ड्राइंग है ऑन द लिप्स, मतलब फटाफट स्टिक हो गया है एंड स्प्रेड नहीं होगा आई एम श्योर, बट इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल शेड, गोज विद द होल लुक, यू नो गाइज. एंड नाउ लेट्स सी द फाइनल लुक. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Also guys, अगर आपको इन सब products में interest है, आपको अच्छे लगे and you are a beginner, I guess this is the best investment you can do, because बहुत अच्छी product है, बहुत long lasting and super pigmented, good quality products they are. So the links will be there in the description box. Do check them out, and you can also create such beautiful looks. If you're there on Instagram, you can tag me after you create the look, and yeah, my Instagram handle will be somewhere here. Also guys, I think कि ये look बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरे इस party outfit के साथ. So what do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you soon with another market related video or a makeup or a fashion. You never know. So I'll see you soon. Bye guys.